There's a reason people ask where the line is between X and XStar. We get it. The new X family looks incredible. Refined, luxurious, aggressive in all the right ways. And that's the thing. When you build boats this good, the line starts to blur. Here's how to think about it. The X family is premium performance engineered for total control of your experience. You spec it, you dial it in, you make it yours. Every detail is performance-driven and purpose-built. Then there's the XStar. Same DNA, different purpose. The XStar is what happens when we take that performance foundation and layer on every bit of exclusivity we can engineer. It's our flagship, the ultra-premium experience where almost nothing is optional and everything is hyper-intentional. The easiest way to explain it? Everything you can add to an X comes standard on an XStar. And then, of course, there are some things you can only get on an XStar. Start with the Z100 Tower. Exclusive to the XStar, power folding at the touch of a button, equipped to hold sound pods, XL clamping board racks, and all of your expectations. It's heavier, bolder, unapologetically designed to be the center of attention. Then there's audio. We're incredibly proud of the work we've done with our partners at Meridian Audio to create Soundstage, which has revolutionized sound across our entire lineup. The offerings on the XStar, though, unparalleled. We're talking 28 speakers, 6 subs, and a version of Max Transom audio you can only get on an XStar. The whole system is louder, sure, but even better, it's richer, clearer, fuller everywhere. Inside, it's a different world. Interior detailing and trim customization you won't find anywhere else in the lineup. You can opt for the in-floor Murphy seat or leave it open for storage. You've got standard wireless phone chargers and an observer display, plus an optional fridge on the XStar 25. Best part, direct access to Mastercraft Concierge, our white glove priority service exclusive to XStar owners. And as far as performance, the XStar shows up already loaded. 6.2-liter supercharged engine, standard. Stern thruster, standard. Power helm seat, 4-camera system, underwater lighting, all standard. Nothing left on the options list because nothing's optional about owning the flagship. So, what's the difference? The X family redefines premium. The XStar family defines what comes after that. They're not competing, they're complementing. The X family is for the person who knows exactly what they want and built it their way. The XStar family is for the person who refuses to choose because they don't have to. Different buyers, different mindsets, same obsession.